Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai here showing you another great pre-owned vehicle in the virtual showroom. 2012 Hyundai Tucson. Boy, she is a gorgeous one. Finished in a really nice white color. Tucson definitely been a very popular model since the inception, way back in I believe 2006. So Tucson's been around a long time. Definitely gone through some body changes. This is definitely one of my favorite. So yeah, this is a local trade. Customer simply traded in. I believe they purchased a Kona, so another new SUV to our lineup. But whether it's a Kona, a Venue, Santa Fe, Tucson, Palisade, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So again, 2012 Hyundai Tucson. So you can see we just walked it. It's in very nice shape. You got the bug deflector, help keep the stone chips off the vehicle. Everything's in really nice working order. So this is the GL package. So it's our standard package. 4-cylinder, fuel efficient. It's front wheel drive. We keep the mats back here to keep them clean for the next owner. So again, you got a good sized trunk. You have 60/40 split folding rear seats. You have anchors on all 3 seats. So if you have some child systems or child seats that you need to fasten, definitely gives you the ability to do so. You can also fold these seats down. If you have no children in the back, have a little project at home, need a little bit more cargo space, definitely a versatile SUV, and hence why one of our better selling vehicles in the lineup. Especially now, everybody is going to SUV. So anytime we get a pre-owned Tucson, they definitely go very quickly. Again, you got some nice cloth seats. Carpets are all in nice shape. This just came out of the detail shop. You got some cup holders here, which you can fold up nice and flat. Have room for 5 passengers. You have power windows on the rear. So again, nice features there. Move into the driver's side. Everything you expect to find: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. Keep the kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can bring it up, bring it down. Underneath the seat, you have the lever to bring it back and forth, and you can also adjust your back support front to back. So again, some very nice features there. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have downhill brake assist control. So some standard features there that's found on the Tucson. So let's jump in really quick. I'm going to start this one up. Did I mention remote starter, remote starter, remote starter? So it has a remote starter built into the vehicle. All right, let's turn it on really quick. So some of the other standard features you're going to find: you have all your volume controls, radio controls there. You have your Bluetooth hands-free calling. You have voice recognition, cruise control. So everything at the tip of the driver's feet, feet, I should say. Not feet, hands. I apologize, it's been a long day. You have heated seats, 2-stage on both sides. You have all your auxiliaries and plugins down there. You have a nice temperature gauge system, temperature control system, easy to use. There's your air conditioning right there, front defrost. You have your rear defrost here. So again, very easy to use. So if you're just yourself, you're not fondling for buttons, easy to get at, so you can keep your eyes on the road. And here's your radio control system with your hazards right here. Active Eco, so you can drive it in the most fuel efficient manner possible, and your traction control is right here. So again, easy to use, functional. Let's see here, you got FM, AM, you got CD player. So there's CDs back. It's back in style. So if you have CDs, this could be the Tucson for you. Again, cloth's in nice shape, dash is in nice shape, no cuts or tears or rips, anything like that. Again, very nice vehicle for a 2012, hence why it is on our lot. We don't keep them if they do not pass our certification and inspections. So again, we just looked at a 2012 Hyundai Tucson GL package. You can call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle that you see in our fleet. We'd all be happy to take an appointment. You can stop by, we are open, and make sure you follow us on Facebook. Hyundai, we're giving away tons of things every month. So again, whether you're in the market or not, make sure you follow us. We have lots of fun here. We look forward to seeing you soon.